In this video, we are going to show you this hotel option for a stay in Southampton, including a detailed look at the accommodation and the on-site restaurant where you can find breakfast and dinner. This is the Premier Inn Hotel Southampton City Centre, not to be confused with other Premier Inn hotels in and around Southampton. It is within easy walking distance of the city centre, with its restaurants, shops, and historic sites. And that delightful walk takes you through here, the quite wonderful Palmerston Park, taking you directly to the high street of the town. The hotel is under a mile from the port of Southampton, and can be walked if you're boarding a cruise ship. But that walk can be long or difficult, depending on the actual cruise terminal your ship is docked in. It's time to check in, which can be a self-check-in process using touchscreens, if the reception area is unstaffed. It's here in the lobby that you'll find these vending machines for snacks and soft drinks to purchase and enjoy in your room. Okay, let's head up to show you a double room in this hotel. Step through the door, and you find wall-mounted hooks for your coats, a space for your luggage and bags, this large mirror with power sockets below for hairdryers or hair straighteners. Part of this same area is where you'll find this hanging space for your clothes. A shelf above contains extra pillows for the room. Let's now take a look around your room, before we point out some key features. Your room has a hairdryer. There's a kettle, and all you need to make tea and coffee. But if beer is your choice, there's this helpful bottle opener. On the desk there is information about the food and drink to be found in the hotel's restaurants and bars. Later in this video, we will show you the menus and food in more detail, and take you to the hotel's restaurant. We didn't have time to try this feature of the room's TV, but it appears to allow you to plug in a tablet or phone and use the TV screen to show your own personal content. The bathroom has a shower and full-size bath. You'll find these Bayliss and Harding branded bath products at the sink and in the shower. It may appear that your room has air conditioning. However, when you book a room here in this hotel online, there is a statement about the rooms having no aircon or climate control. Inside the room is this electric fan and plug-in heater that can help to cool or heat the room. We stayed in this room in late May of 2025, and with the open window, found it cool and comfortable enough to rest and sleep in. On the 5th floor is the restaurant and bar. Let's take a look around. Here is where you'll find the breakfast buffet in the morning. These tables provided us with natural light and a view out the window during our dinner. Breakfast is buffet style, and contains the typical items you expect from a hotel breakfast. Take a look at what we discovered. Here's an opportunity now to look at the menu for the hotel's restaurant. The hotel part of this video is now finished, but stay with us if you want to see what Southampton city centre can offer you. And that's just a short walk up this busy road to a not at all busy park. This is Palmerston Park, named after the 19th century Prime Minister, Lord Palmerston. It's a large, green, and tranquil place to walk and sit on a nice day, but it's also your route on foot to the main high street of Southampton. And it's here that you'll emerge from the park and into a place called Above Bar Street. There is a history behind that name that we will reveal later. Shops, cafes, restaurants. There's plenty of choice and variety here. There is this charming shopping arcade that has many small and independent retail and food places inside. By complete contrast, further down the street is an entrance to West Quay, a huge mall of shops, eating places, cinema, and more. Back on the high street, we found this place for lunch and can really recommend it. Have you ever had a smashed burger? These freshly made authentic ground beef burgers are served here, and they are delicious. One of us ordered a chicken salad, and the portion was enormous, tasty, and great value for money. If you like a more traditional burger meal, well, you can also find this popular chain restaurant on this street. Further down the street, and nearer the waterfront, is the Bar Gate, a 12th century stone gatehouse that was the entrance to the medieval walled city. It's now easier to explain why the street you've just seen is called Above Bar Street. It was named as the part of the old city that was north, or above, the Bar Gate. Through the Bar Gate and on to Bar Gate Street, you'll discover this market with food stalls on Fridays and Saturdays. There's more of the city for you to explore in and around these streets. Including this opportunity to stand on top of a section of the old medieval city walls. In this video, we've shown you a hotel in Southampton that you might want to consider. And also, the parts of the city that you can easily discover on foot during your time here.